जय हिंद, जय भारत। आज दून वैली पब्लिक स्कूल के जो बच्चे हैं एक वर्ल्ड बाइसिकल डे पर एक रैली का आयोजन कर रहे हैं, जो जागरूक कर रहे हैं, आमजन को जागरूक कर रहे हैं कि सभी हेल्थी स्वस्थ अच्छा रहें। तो अभी जो हमारे 22 की वर्ल्ड बाइसिकल डे का जो थीम है वो अभी हमारी बेटी बताएंगे।
Hello everyone, I am Vanika Tyagi and today I am going to talk about World Bicycle Day. So World Bicycle Day is celebrated on 3rd June and it has been introduced in 2018. Cycle provides us very healthy, means it is very good for our health. Due to cycle we always, if we continue cycling, so we'll always fit, and cycling provides us very ways in which we can enjoy our lives, like when lockdown, when corona is there, so many of the people are not getting their kid due to corona, but due to cycling they are it is very easy to ride, and as well as it we can find cycle everywhere in the world. Please proceed. Yes, children, all the best.
Yes.
Take care of yourself and give the message anyone to you. All the best.
चल चल
Happy World Bicycle Day! ओके सामने दोनों स्टीयरिंग पर हाथ होने के दोनों हैंडल पर हाथ दोनों हैंडल पर हाथ रखो ना और एक पैर ऊपर एक नीचे